valves cover gasket. Patrick's Garage.
Hello, it's good to talk to you guys again. Today I'm going to show you the right way to install valves cover gasket. And before we moving forward with gasket replacing, please make sure you subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.
We see oil coating any outside parts of engine. It makes me kind of wonder what's going on here. Obviously, the gasket had been cracked. We need to replace it if you're worried about every little nitpick and thing. Would you like replacing gasket in this case? Maybe you can write about that in the comments below. If it's not really dripping and getting on the ground and getting on the exhaust system and smelling, many people will do nothing. If it's just a little seepage and it's not even dripping on the ground and it's not coating any parts of the engine, we could live with it. By the way, replacing worth more than what we paid for the gasket. So do it yourself, do it right, and don't trust clowns. If any guy could claim to know every scrap of information carried in this video, I'd like to shake him warmly by the hand. Anyway, write comments down below, I really appreciate it. This brush was made especially for cleaning parts. So we can put everything in the box so we don't lose it. This brush very useful for cleaning screws. So and let's remove old valves cover. Removes easily, just lift it up and we see rocker arms, black dirty oil, and I'm always leery about rubber gaskets for valves cover. Will be better to use cork gasket, I think. And now we need to clean valves cover. And main important thing is to clean surface of valve cover. And for this we can use steel brush, steel sponge, maybe little gasoline, little kerosene. Surface must be clean. You're not going to complain about leaking. Yes, we know, as the sealant instruction says, it's recommended to use for gaskets. Doesn't say you have to. So I decided to clean surface thoroughly. And as you can guess, I will not using sealant. We see brackets inside, these holders for gasket. These brackets will not allow the gasket to slide inside. Check the surface around the holes for screws. We can little restore with hammer if it need. We need to clean surface with rag multiple times, and we remove oil film first, and after that I degreasing with gasoline, degreasing all surface. Here it was leaking. We see remnants of old paint and sealant maybe. This is incredibly important, even if you don't have a lot of time to spare. Take a patience. Doesn't matter which brand of degreaser you buy. We need to clean all surface, and this has biggest impact on the result. We can make it very easily. So you know it was 10 years old gasket. Wipe everything off. Make sure it's dry. And keep cleaning until we get dry surface. If we don't want to have future problems with oil leaking. Let's look what kind of gasket we need. We want to use good cork gasket. And of course we need to know what kind of gasket we need. The same gasket can be used for B18 and B20 engine. Now right here you see a number for searching this gasket, maybe online. Because the first thing we wanna do is use a good core gasket. So we're gonna swap old gasket out for the new core gasket. Let's look more closely for this core gasket. Make sure it's dry, clean and firm. As we see, it's pretty whistle clean. Online we can find a lot of quantity and diversity of gaskets. But old paper catalog also can be useful. These are all authentic OEM gaskets numbers. We can use glue, we can use contact cement, anything that's going to allow it to dry and stay there. But only between valve cover and gasket. And as you can guess, we're going to use gasket without cement or anything sealant. Do not use silicone, of course, because it slides and it doesn't fit properly. Now let's install our new gasket with cover. No glue on both sides. If you want, one side only. If you want, add glue or sealant. Check the thread on these screws. Start screwing before we tighten any single one. Put all screws in its places. These valves cover totally reliable. I don't personally like aluminum covers because aluminum very soft metal and I think they're going to break eventually. I decided to save this cover. We just simply screw it back on. Now I'm a man who knows threads limits, so not over tightening. Really important to using these screws correctly. I think you get what I'm saying. If you are also planning to change the oil, it's better to change the gasket first and then change the oil. And once we feel resistance of all screws, we're going to tighten them up. And I also want to say if the gasket is not only seepage, but leaking and dripping to the earth, there would be better also check PCV system. You can watch my video about crankcase ventilation if you want. Also check inside cleanliness of nipple and PCV valve in case with B18 engine. And if you suspect PCV system, check the air cleaner. Air cleaner must be dry without any oil. And you see, we tighten them little by little. Do not over tighten them. You can easily push the gasket out. We can break the valve cover or even strip the screws. And now, as we see, it's time to install oil filler cap to its place. This oil filler cap rubber gasket interchangeable with another Volvo models. The more advanced horses, the more chance you have of having a problem. But we remember about all these horses. This hose, thick hose to the air cleaner and thin hose from the distributor to the carburetor. This hose goes from the vacuum governor to the carburetor. It could be a major problem if it's not connecting correctly. This picture can be useful when we install ventilation hoses. And put the vacuum advance hose in its place. Check the fixation of hoses, tightening screw, and check again. And so, obviously, work done. Rocker arms cover looks nice. Sometime after we can check again valves cover gasket. And we hope that oil not coating our spark plugs. Thanks for watching. So there is a whole bunch of people that really needs this information about valves cover gasket replacing. So press the share button and let's get it way out there.